Hi guys, hello and welcome back to yet another video on my channel. This is Shipra Singh and today's video is so exciting and so special to me because it's a Sarojini Nagar haul. So some days back I was in Delhi and then I had this chance to go to Sarojini since the market was open. So I went for shopping and I purchased like literally lots of things. So the first thing this cute little soft toy. It's a panda and it's so cute. And of course, so many clothes. So in this haul, I'm just going to share with you guys everything I have purchased from Sarojini Nagar, and I enjoyed shopping there a lot. And I hope even you guys enjoy this video. So without wasting any further time, let's get into it. So first thing first, I know it's lockdown and it's not the safest option to go out and do the shopping. But obviously, it's not every day that I'm going to Delhi. I'm going to Sarojini Nagar. So for me, it was a must go to place. And I have seen so many videos about Sarojini, and I have been to Sarojini once or twice, but I have never done a full-fledged shopping in Sarojini Nagar, so I had to go there since I was in Delhi. And another thing is that there is all social distancing norms that they have to follow, and not all the shops were open the day I went. And you have to follow all the precautionary guides by yourself, wear a mask, and avoid getting into shops which are very crowded, and keep sanitizing your hands. And the best thing I can suggest you is wear gloves while you are there so that you are not in direct contact with any of the clothes, because बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं, सब लोगों का हाथ लगता है, and then again you're touching the same thing and then you might end up touching your face because you're sweating or something. So it's the best option is कि आप कोई gloves वगैरह पहन लो and do not spend a lot of time. For I had traveled 2 hours to Sarojini. I had spent 2 hours in Sarojini and I had traveled 2 hours back from Sarojini. So try to not spend a lot of time there. Try to avoid eating things outside and carry your own water bottle. So these are the guidelines that I can help you. I am not the best person to guide you कि कहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा, because I was myself exploring and sort of lost कि जहाँ पे जो दिख रहा था मैंने बस ले लिया, because I was not very sure about the map of the market. But yes, I was very amazed. I was very happy as a conclusion. So yes, let's just start with what all I got from Sarojini Nagar. This is the first dress that I got from Sarojini Nagar. It is a bodycon dress जिसका front और back side is in black color, और इसके sleeves और neckline जो है वो light blue color के हैं. इसके sleeves पे ये beautiful सी embroidery की हुई थी, which was giving it an overall a different look and बहुत ज़्यादा beautiful बना रहा था. और इसके ऊपर ये ruffled neck का detailing था, and इसके sleeves भी end में ऐसे चून जैसा था and ruffle था, which is making it very simple yet very elegant. And you guys won't believe this dress was just for ₹100. इसके बैक पे ये लंबी सी zip दी हुई थी, which made it fit to your body very beautifully, and the length was also pretty good. ना ये ज़्यादा लंबा था and ना ही ये ज़्यादा short था. So overall it was a very good purchase at ₹100. Next up is this white dress with very micro detailing and with frills, और इसका material I think chiffon, and इसके अंदर का material was like satin, and again ये बिल्कुल भी see through नहीं था, so you can just carry it and feel very comfortable. And then I bought these golden earrings. इसकी quality काफ़ी ज़्यादा sturdy थी, and I like the way it looks, and you can pair this up with almost everything, and that's why I got it, and this was just for ₹25. नेक्स्ट अप इज़ दिस वन पीस। ये मैंने बांद्रा में काफ़ी जगह पे देखा था, एंड बांद्रा में इसका प्राइस अराउंड 600 से स्टार्ट होता था, एंड बार्गेन करके पीपल यूज टू गिव इट एट 400, बट आई गॉट दिस एट सरोजिनी नगर फॉर जस्ट ₹100। और ये काफ़ी सिंपल एंड कैजुअल है। इसका मटेरियल डेनिमिश सॉर्ट ऑफ मटेरियल था, एंड इसके फ्रंट पे बटन्स दिए हुए हैं, एंड इट्स अ वेरी गुड आउटफिट फॉर अ कैजुअल आउटिंग और जस्ट फॉर एनी कैजुअल डे, एंड वेरी comfortable, and of course it's a steal at ₹100. नेक्स्ट अप इज़ दिस येलो वन पीस। इसका मटेरियल पिंक वाले वन पीस के जैसा ही था, although this one was just for ₹50. I have paired it with a black turtleneck because you can pair it up with white or black turtleneck if you want to have a subtle look, and it looks very cute when you wear them, so I really like it. बहुत ज़्यादा different और थोड़ा unique style है, and for ₹50, God what should I tell you, this is a steal. Next up is this white crushed elastic top. This is a bodycon top, and this was just for ₹50. This is just a casual top for any other casual day, but obviously for ₹50, what else do you expect? And also with this top I went ahead and same shop से मैंने ये jeans खरीदी थी. This is a high waist jeans which rises up to your mid stomach, and it has a very good finishing and very good fitting. इसके bottoms पे ऐसे वो cut वाली finishing दी हुई थी, and yes, this jeans was just for ₹100. So next up is this sweater. I don't know why, but सरोजिनी में इस टाइम पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा विंटर कलेक्शन अवेलेबल था, एंड काफ़ी फ्रेश कलेक्शन थे. सो आई वेंट अहेड एंड आई बॉट दिस स्वेटर बिकॉज आई नो दैट nowhere soon I'm going back to Delhi to buy wintry clothes. So I just went ahead and bought this sweater for ₹100. Next up is again this golden hoop earrings, and जिसे आप ऑलमोस्ट किसी भी चीज़ के साथ पेयर कर सकते हैं, एंड दे लुक pretty classy and almost goes up with everything, and they are quite sturdy, so that's the reason that I bought them. फिर ये डार्क ग्रीन कलर की एक टॉप है जो मैंने वहीं से ली जहाँ से मैंने वाइट वाली टॉप ली थी, and again you can just pair it up, you can layer it up with a shrug or with a jacket, and it's very comfortable. Again, it's body hugging, and I think it looks pretty good when you pair it up with a flowy jeans or something. So यहाँ पे मैंने ये जो jeans पहनी हुई है ये भी मैंने सरोजिनी नगर से लिया था for ₹200, जो कि almost mid waist थी, and it has a bell bottom. Next is this again earring black oxidized, जो मैंने ₹25 में ख़रीदी थी from the same place that I got the golden hoops earring from. Up next is this white sweater which looks very cute. It has a small cherry embroidered actually all over, and it has 2 small pockets, and I think it's pretty appropriate for Mumbai winters. And again, I just bought it because I am not going to Delhi very soon. So this sweater was again for ₹100 only. Next up is this plain blue shirt. It's a cropped shirt and has a quite formal look to it, and the material was very good quality. I like the pattern of the sleeves and the buttons in the front, which was literally of the same color. So guys, for ₹75, this is a steal. Like, I cannot expect anything better at this price range, and this was वेरी फ्रेश. ये कोई भी ऐसे नॉर्मल स्टॉक में से नहीं लिया है, बिकॉज जिस शॉप से मैंने ये ख़रीदा वहाँ पे इसके साइजेस भी अवेलेबल थे. सो इट्स अ वेरी फ्रेश मटेरियल एंड इट्स वेरी सूदिंग टू योर बॉडी. नेक्स्ट अप इज़ दिस नाइट ड्रेस दैट आई गॉट. सो ये बेसिकली 2-piece नाइट ड्रेस है विथ टॉप एंड शॉर्ट्स. सो दिस आई रियली लाइक्ड बिकॉज ये 250-200 के अवेलेबल थे बहुत ज़्यादा सरोजनी नगर में, एंड आई पर्सनली लाइक्ड इट बिकॉज ऑफ द एम्ब्रॉयडरी ऑल ओवर द dress, and in fact the shorts, it looks so pretty that I think even if I pair it with white loose shirt, it's appropriate to go out. So I bought a similar pair of pink 2-piece because obviously it had my heart. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed watching the video. Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also stay tuned for an upcoming Janpat Nagar haul, and yes, until then, keep sharing love. Bye bye.